A has 5 sounds. A, O, O. A, f, at, fat. B, at, bat. App, map. A, b, e, baby. We use y here instead of I because English words do not end with I. So b, e, baby. Gate, gate. E is silent and E gives power to A. Cake, cake. Again silent E and E gives power to A. Ask, ask. Glass, glass. Ask, mask. All, all. Walk. Here L is silent. Walk. Ball. The fifth sound of A. Z, was. Wad. Swan. E has 2 sounds. E, hen. Egg. Elf. At some ending, we use 2 phonograms together, giving 1 single sound. This is how we explain to the children. Egg, elf. E, she. SH together is a multiple phonogram. So we just tell them now when S and H are put together, it's sh, e, she. E, emu. We. I has 2 sounds. I. Kid. Eat, kit. Bin. Eyes. E is silent here. Here we teach them the E-I-Y rule. Whenever C is followed by E or I or Y, we use the second sound of C here. Okay, the second sound of C is S. Ice, and E is silent here. Bike, E is silent and E gives power to I. Rice, and again E gives power to I. O has 4 sounds.